Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we are thrilled to bring you a countdown of the best-selling bushing tools products available on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, we've got the top tools that will make your projects easier and more efficient. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's dive right into number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon. Presenting the DASBET 10 PCs, Axle Bushing Bearing Race and Seal Install Driver, Master Aluminum Tool Bearing Race and Seal Bushing Driver Install Set. This toolkit is a game changer. First, let's talk about its excellent design. Each disc in the bearing race puller set is clearly marked with sizes, ensuring you always pick the right one. The ingenious combination of the drive and disc allows for swift disassembly and installation, leaving no traces on the bearings. The drive handle features an anti-slip design, increasing friction, grip, and control during use, so you can work confidently. Now, onto the premium material. This set is built from high-strength aluminum, finished with anodization for extra durability and strength. It's corrosion and rust resistant, ready to withstand the toughest conditions and the heaviest use. Ease of use is paramount, and this tool delivers. The Universal Bush Drive Seal Kit for automotive wheel bearings simplifies the installation of the seat ring seal without damaging the race or axle housing. Just select the correct collar from the bearing driver set, attach it to the included handle with the bolt, and tap the bearing into place by striking the handle. The high-strength hex bolt ensures a firm connection between the long handle and the adapter, efficiently transmitting your power. Its wide applicability is a standout feature. This set is perfect for mounting axle bearings and bushes, with different collars suitable for most wheel bearings on cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. What's included in the set? The rear axle bearing puller set comes with a 512 driver handle and 9 collar discs, sized at 1.565, 1.750, 1.965, 2.325, 2.470, 2.555, 2.830, 2.995, and 3.180. In summary, the DASBET 10 PCs, Axle Bushing Bearing Race and Seal Install Driver, Master Aluminum Tool, Bearing Race and Seal Bushing Driver Install Set is a must-have for anyone serious about efficient, precise, and damage-free bearing installations. It's robust, versatile, and designed with the user in mind. Ready to elevate your toolkit? This set might just be the perfect addition. Number 4 on our list of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon is a true marvel of engineering and versatility. Introducing the 52-in-1 custom bushing driver set, a comprehensive transmission bushing driver removal set, wheel axle bearing race, and seal installer toolkit. Let's delve into what makes this master bushing tool set stand out. This deluxe custom driver kit is designed to assist you with bearing race and seal replacement on your car, truck transmission, axle, and wheel hub. Whether you're installing a new bearing seal or replacing an old one, this kit has you covered. The standout feature? Its universal compatibility. This bearing and seal driver set boasts an astonishing 50 interchangeable discs, allowing for 2,450 different variations. The discs range from 0.7 inches to 2.55 inches in 1 mm increments, plus a 2.9-inch disc. Each disc connects with a 0.47-inch shaft and screw, attached to a 7.08-inch handle, making the set complete and incredibly effective for any wheel bearing task. Durability is key, and this set delivers with its heavy-duty carbon steel construction. The black anodic oxidation provides ultimate anti-rust performance, ensuring the components withstand heavy use and accidental drops. It's perfect for everyone, from off-road weekend warriors to novices and professional mechanics. When it comes to efficiency, this set is an effective press kit. It includes everything you need for fast and effective removal and installation of wheel bearings on cars or trucks. The multi-size bushing discs and heavy-duty long handle shaft make replacing wheel bearings a breeze. And for convenience, it comes with a case. Each kit includes an illustrated parts diagram for easy operation equipped with 50 bushing discs, one long handle shaft, and all necessary assemblies. It's all housed in a heavy-duty, blow-molded case for easy storage and transport. To sum it up, the 52-in-1 custom bushing driver set is a powerhouse of versatility, durability, and efficiency. It's the ultimate toolkit for anyone looking to tackle bearing and seal replacements with confidence and ease. Next up, let's explore number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon. Get ready for the BILITOOLS Bearing Press Kit, a 43-piece powerhouse that's revolutionizing bearing installation. The BILITOOLS Bearing Press Kit is a complete standard and metric bushing adapter set, featuring 39 adapters and 4 sturdy aluminum handles. This kit fits standard races used in most wheel bearing applications, making it a versatile must-have for any mechanic. Let's talk specifics. The SAE sizes in sleek black include 3/8, x7/16, 7/16, x1/2, 1/2, x9/16, 9/16, x5/8, 39/64, x11/16, 5/8, x3/4, 11/16, x13/16, 47/64, x7/8, 13/16, x15/16, 55/64, x1, 15/16, x11/16, 1x11/8, 11/16, x13/16, and 13/16, x15/16. And the metric sizes in striking red cover a range from 10 to 12 mm to 81 mm, ensuring you have the right tool for any job. What makes this kit a standout? It's a master bearing race and seal installer, perfect for installing straight races and seals into brake disc hubs without causing damage to the bearing or axle housing. This ensures a smooth and precise installation every time. Constructed from machined aluminum, this bushing press kit efficiently transfers striking power. It's lighter, easier to handle, and designed to make the technician's job simpler and more effective. In essence, the BILITOOLS Bearing Press Kit is the epitome of efficiency, versatility, and durability. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional mechanic, this kit equips you with everything you need for flawless bearing installations. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your tools get rusty. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a wrenching moment. Number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon is a true powerhouse. Introducing the Orion Motor Tech 52-in-1 custom bushing driver tool set and transmission wheel axle. Bearing race seal, installer remover, the ultimate solution for your bushing and bearing needs. Let's dive into the details, starting with its universal sizing. This comprehensive toolkit includes 50 interchangeable discs, allowing for an astounding 2,450 custom bushing driver variations. You will always have the right size for any job, no matter how specific. This is a complete set. The disc sizes range from 18 mm (0.7 inches) to 65 mm (2.51 inches) in 1 mm increments, plus a 74 mm (2.91 inches) disc. Each disc connects with a 12 mm (0.47 inches) shaft and screw, attaching quickly to a 180 mm (7.08 inch) handle. This ensures a complete and effective wheel bearing driver set ready for any challenge. Ease of use is paramount, and this tool delivers on easy operation. The long handle shaft simplifies bearing race and seal replacement, enabling you to remove or install wheel bearings quickly and professionally. No more struggling with cumbersome tools. This kit makes the process smooth and efficient. Durability is a hallmark of this set. Built with heavy-duty carbon steel construction and coated with black anodic oxidation for rust resistance, this mechanic tool set is designed to withstand years of heavy use. It's robust, reliable, and ready for the toughest jobs. To top it all off, the set comes in a protective carrying case. This heavy-duty, blow-molded case features precision-sized compartments for every piece, ensuring organized storage and easy transport. It not only protects your tools, but also extends the life of the set. In summary, the Orion Motor Tech 52-in-1 custom bushing driver toolset is the epitome of versatility, durability, and efficiency. It's the perfect addition to any mechanic's toolkit, providing unmatched performance and reliability. Finally, we've reached the pinnacle, number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon. Introducing the Orion Motor Tech Bearing Press Kit, the ultimate 33-piece bearing race and seal driver set, designed for effortless, precise, and professional installation. This kit redefines convenience with effortless race and seal installation. With this 33-piece set, you can quickly and easily install bearing races and seals without damaging the axle housing. Say goodbye to complicated and frustrating installations. The ultimate set for all jobs. This wheel bearing press kit is equipped with 3 knurled handles of different sizes and 30 dual-sided SAE and metric adapters. It's versatile enough to fit most standard races and seals for various vehicles. The SAE adapter sizes range from 3/8 and 7/16 in to 1/3/16 and 1/5/16 in, and the metric adapter sizes from 10 and 12 mm to 38 and 42 mm. With this range, you'll always have the perfect fit. Quick identification. The knurled driver handles provide a non-slip grip for precise control. Plus, the clearly marked laser engravings on each adapter let you identify and select the right size in no time. No more fumbling around trying to find the right piece. Compact and portable, this bearing installation kit comes in a convenient storage case, ensuring your tools are organized and always within reach, whether at home or on the go. It's the perfect companion for every project, big or small. Built to last, this set is made of heavy-duty aluminum alloy with a corrosion-resistant coating. This ensures exceptional strength and unrivaled endurance to withstand even the most punishing use. It's durable, reliable, and ready for anything you throw its way. In conclusion, the Orion Motor Tech Bearing Press Kit stands at the top of our list for its versatility, durability, and unmatched performance. It's the perfect tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equip yourself with the best and make every bearing installation a breeze. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling bushing tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.